Eighth main, factorize the following. So your question is given 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So you know that the identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So the given question we should convert in this form. Okay. Now what we should do here? 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube plus b cube. Now 2a whole cube, that is equal to 8a cube. Okay. Then next plus 3. A means what is here? 2a. Now you see in the first term a cube is there, here 2a cube is there. That means a place what is here? 2a is there. That means here we should write 2a. B cube is equal to b cube only. That means b is equal to b. So here we can take directly b. Then a plus b. A is equal to 2a plus b. Okay. Then now see here 2a cube is equal to 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b. Now you multiply 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, a into a square. So then b. Okay, we got third term. Next fourth term you see 3 2s are 6. Okay, 6 into b. 6 into b. Again here one b is there. 6b square into a. 6ab square. Then now we got this full term here, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. What is this is equal to what is here? A plus b the whole cube. Then this is equal to, now how to write? A is equal to what we should take here? 2a. B is equal to as it is b. Then whole cube. So this is the answer. Second question, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So here minus given in between all the terms here. So we can use a minus b whole cube formula. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here the given question we should convert in this form. So how to convert here? 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube. 2a whole cube, that is equal to 8a cube. Then minus b cube. Okay. Now first two terms you see. A cube is equal to 2a cube. Okay. Then a is equal to what? What is here? 2a. Then b cube is equal to b cube. B is equal to b only we should take. Okay. Then minus 3 you should write as it is. Now a means what we should write? 2a. Then b means we should take same b only. Then a minus b, 2a minus b. Now check it whether this is in equal to this question. 2a cube, that is equal to 8a cube, minus b cube minus, now 12a square b is there. Multiply and check it. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay. A into a square into b. This is clear. Then minus into minus plus. Okay. Then 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now here b, here one b is there. That means 6b square, again remaining one a. That is equal to 6ab square. Okay, multiply here this term to first term, then this term to second term. Okay, then this is equal to, now here this is equal to what is here? A minus b the whole square. Now this is equal to what we should write here? 2a minus b whole cube. Okay, whole cube. 2a minus b whole cube. Third question, 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. So here minus is there, that means we can use a minus b whole cube formula. This is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, then first term we can, now this full given question we should convert in this form. Okay, so how to write 27? 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, then minus 125 a cube, that means 5a whole cube, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Okay, now we got first and second term. Next 3ab, 3ab how to write here? You see a cube is equal to, here 3 cube is there. Okay, then a is equal to what is here? 3. B is equal to what is here? 5a. So now this term how to write? 3 you should write as it is according to the identity. Then a means here 3 you should write. Then b is equal to, that is 5a. Then a minus b, 3 minus 5a, because a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5a. Now check it whether it is equal to this question. 3 cube 27 minus 5a whole cube, that is equal to 125a cube. Then minus, okay, then multiply here. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 3s are 135 into a, minus into minus plus. Again you should multiply, 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 5s are 225, a into a square. Okay, then this is equal to, now here what is here? A minus b whole cube. Now a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5a. So how to take here? 3 minus 5a whole cube. Question number 4, 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Now 64a cube, so we can use this identity. Now first term a cube we should make it. Now first term here what is there? A cube is there. Now this 64a cube we should make in a cube form, that means 4a whole cube. 4a whole cube is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Okay, 64a cube minus 3b whole cube. Okay, 3 multiply 3 times 27. Then minus this 3 write as it is. Here you see a cube is equal to 4a cube. That means a is equal to what we should take here? 4a. So you take 4a. Then b cube is equal to 3b cube. Okay, b is equal to 3b. Should write 3b. Inside the bracket a minus b, 4a minus b, that is 3b. So this is equal to, now this full we got according to this a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Then this is equal to what is here? A minus b whole cube. So here you can take directly 4a minus 3b whole cube. Okay. Fifth question, 27p cube minus 1 divided by 2 16 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. So the given question we have to convert in this form, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So first term 27p cube is there. So that can be written as 3p whole cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay. Then minus 216, that means 1 by 6 whole cube. 1 cube is equal to 1, 6 cube that is equal to 216. Now we got a cube is equal to this 3p whole cube. A is equal to what is here? 3p. B cube is equal to 1 by 6 whole cube. That means B is equal to what we should take? 1 by 6. Then minus 3ab. A means here 3p. Okay. Then B 1 by 6 into A minus P, 3p minus 1 by 6. Now check it whether it is correct or wrong. 3p whole cube, that is 27p cube. Then minus 1 by 6 whole cube, that is equal to 1 by 216. Then minus, now here 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Reduce it. 3 3s are 9. P into P, P square. So 9 divided by 2 P square. Minus into minus plus. Now what is remaining here? 3p. Now see here, 3p by 2 into 1 by 6. Okay. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Right. Now 1 divided by 2 2s are 4, that is 1 by 4, remaining p is there, so p you should write. Now this is equal to, now a minus b whole cube, a is equal to what is here? 3p, b is equal to 1 by 6, so whole cube. So answer is 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube.